How to customize a metric template using the configuration assistant. You certainly understand the importance of data-driven decision-making to ensure your team is moving toward your company's success. However, it can be challenging to get started with engineering metrics and KPIs without in-house data engineering and analytics skills. Fortunately, Keypup's metric configuration assistant makes it easy to get started with custom engineering metrics in no time. Here are the steps to create engineering metrics using Keypup's configuration assistant. First, click on the plus Add Insight button located at the top right of your screen. As you can see, Keypup offers a variety of metrics templates. For this specific tutorial, we'll select the PR lead time for changes metric. You can edit your metrics using the configuration assistant or advanced builder. We'll select the configuration assistant. The Configure Your Insight page allows you to edit your metric by answering a few questions and adjusting the title accordingly. Once updated, click Next. The Document Your Insight page allows you to provide context around your metrics for easier collaboration. Once adjusted, click Next. Then, you can choose to add the metric to the dashboard, to your collection, or to further narrow down the result. We'll add it to the dashboard this time. That's it. Your metric is now ready to explore. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.